Hi, Sarah. Are you happy we're going four-wheeling today? We've got a big group today. Yep, good group of people going. We'll go take a look at all the trucks, okay?
Yeah, if you got a 12 mil traction.
Yep.
Tomorrow.
Okay, you're on my video now.
Nice.
Show your truck.
Big turd.
How much lift?
10 inches maybe?
10-inch lift.
I think.
It's the Monster Blazer. Yeah, he's joining us today. He's from New Hampshire. We have the 51 Willys.
Oh, you know, the girls, see, Mark just goes like this to somebody, he's fucked for life. Because he's in the picture, he's going to be able to offended.
And then we have the Monster Beast Toyota at the end over here. So, take a look at this nice Jeep here. It's awesome. What's he got on there? Kevlar. He's got 35s. Yep, he got 35s on there. Good years. Very nice.
Tony, stand there a minute, I gotta go get another handcuff.
Look at that. Awesome.
He says, I gotta get another handcuff. He says, I can't get your arms around you far enough to put them together. He says, they won't go together. He said, just stay there, I'll go get another handcuff off the car. So I stood there, like this. People going by and I'm waving with the handcuff.
He's got 42s on here. Yep. Pull you out of that. Alright, we're on our way up to the Beaver Dam, so everybody's here, we're ready to go. Go see how Sarah's doing. Go take a look at everybody. Yep, we're gonna go up that road, go up into the forest, and we'll be heading. An overview of everybody. Oh yeah, check out the zoom. There. Not too bad for zoom. Alright, go see how Sarah's doing. Let's see if we can see. Well, it's a little closer. There's Sarah. Sarah's ready. You ready to go, Sarah? We're going to be ready to go? Yeah? Okay. Tell everybody thanks for watching. We'll see you up at the Beaver Dam. The high tension lines. Alright, thanks everyone for watching.